Hey, so this is Corey, and this is a quick tour of the new CSS theme that is available in Pegasus version 22. So this theme is completely optional. The existing Bulma and Bootstrap themes are still available. This is called the Material theme. It's a Bootstrap 5 theme. And this is the new landing page that you'll get with the theme. And you can see it's mobile friendly. It's got these mobile menus. The sign up and sign in pages have also been overhauled. You can see this is the sign up page, this is the sign in page, and these are also kind of mobile friendly. And we can sign in here and see that the skin of Pegasus has also changed. So the navigation here on the left has been restyled. The menus have been tweaked a little bit, the color scheme, fonts, and all of that. And this gets applied to all the different pages here on Pegasus. Again, these pages are mobile friendly, so you can see it just did that kind of cool little animation thing. It's quite a nice, I think, upgraded experience from the existing theme. The thing that is maybe the most exciting about it, or the thing that I think will be the most helpful, is it's based on these open source, optionally commercial products from Creative Tim, Material Dashboard and Material Kit. And these are two products that are open source, and then Creative Tim has upgrade pro components that you can get. But these things ship with all these different coded elements, design blocks, different landing pages, contact pages, etc. And so you can kind of go to the Creative Tim website to get a sense of all the different stuff that's available in here. But this gives you a lot of sort of built-in functionality to be able to drop in these different components, put them together in your Pegasus apps, build out landing pages, and here in the dashboard, build out sort of logged in pages, tables, charts, all this stuff. So Pegasus will be ready to drop in any of these widgets kind of right out of the gate. So hopefully this will make it a lot easier to get to a nice polished MVP working great with mobile and hooked up to your backend. So yeah, that's the major update from Pegasus 22, and I think that's it. Thanks for watching.